Hello guys, what's up? For some time now, I figured that I've seen that the most questions being asked most time when most persons send me email is how do I convert my Ethereum Binance peg, my Binance Ethereum peg? I've explained this over and over before now, and if you don't understand by now, that means you've not been watching other of my previous videos. I have a lot of educational materials I've sent in there that are very important. Now, when you send your coin, let's say you send an ECRO Ethereum, we have what we call network on different coins. We have Ethereum network, we have Binance smartchain network, and then we have Tron network, and we have so many other networks, all right? But the two major ones are Ethereum network and Binance smartchain network, all right? So let me say, for instance, now you sent your coin. Let's say you sent coin from Binance, you send Ethereum from Binance to your trust wallet on Binance Smart Chain Network. Now, the coin wouldn't reflect, and if it does reflect, it will reflect on as Binance peg. And when it reflects those, the only way you can reconvert it back is I don't know whatever. I don't know if there's. I think you can use the DEX option within the Trust wallet to reconvert it to whatever coin, let's say BNB or Binance Smart Chain that you want to reconvert it to. But the best way that you can reconvert that without having any issue is by sending the coin back to Binance and then resending it on the network you want to resend. So that's what typically what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to send it. Let's say you've retrieved it as Binance spec, how to send it to Binance through the correct address, because if you send it to the wrong address, it will not reflect. How to send it through through the right address, and then before you can be able to transact it on every other form you want to transact it, it will still that's to make it reflect as a main Ethereum. All right, so let's just dive right into the video without making much noise. So, all right. Now this is a content that is much more confusing. Most of you have your coins as Binance peg. Let's say your Ethereum or whatever coin that you may have it as a peg. And wait. I know you are anxious to watch this video, but I want you to just do me a favor right now. Please hit the subscription button below and then like the video, and you can continue. If you have any other thoughts, comment it, and then I'll always look out for them. Back to your video. Not as a Binance peg, and you don't know how to convert it to ECRO address, and that can really prove to be a very big problem most times if you don't know what you are doing, because at most cases you can lose your entire coin trying to figure out your way around that. All right, without wasting much time, I believe I've done this transaction already, so I just have to record the video. I just have to record the video to show you how it was done. Already, this coin was existing in Binance Peg. Look at this coin here. It existed in Binance Peg. All right. So when your coin is existing in Binance Peg, before you can have it withdrawn or before you can transfer it to Ethereum, to Binance or to any address, because this wallet is on Binance Smart Chain Network, you have to reconvert this wallet. You have to send some amount of BNB into the wallet. Let's say I sent about $2 worth of BNB. Meanwhile, the transaction that was needed to transfer whatever amount that I needed to transfer, that amount 260, was about 0.08 BNB, which means the other it was remaining about 1.94 plus worth of BNB smart chain. So now before sending this to Binance, now what I have to do before sending this to Ethereum peg, I have to go to my Binance account. Where's my Binance account? Go to Binance account already. Sorry, I'm on a transaction right there. Now go to Binance account. Now let me show you. If I click on receive here, let's say if I click on deposit. Now, when you click on deposit, click on Ethereum. Make sure you click on the right coin you want to send to. All right, here we have ERC20 BEP to BEP 20 BSC. Now this is the one you're going for. Now you have to click on this BEP 20 and then it will reload, and then you copy this address. That's what you'll be sending to. That's what the coin will be sent to. All right. So now let's look at this transaction. So I copy that and then come here. By now I've gotten like at least one or 0.5 Binance Smart Chain. All right. So click here and then click on send and then paste the address. Once you paste it, enter the amount, enter max, enter the amount or whatever amount you want to send it to, and then proceed with the transaction. And once you hit send, the transaction will automatically reflect here, which it did right here, and you can see it everything totally reflected and the transaction was successful. So it's just as simple as that. You can see the coin right here, and I've transferred it to my P2P wallet because I need to do some other transaction with it. So you can see it here in my, okay, that's, let's go to P2P. You can see it here in my P2P wallet. I've just transferred to P2P wallet. So that's because I want to do some other transaction with it. So that's just how to, you know, transfer, convert your Binance peg to normal Ethereum. So from here now, if, let me go back to that spot wallet. So from here now, if I want to send this coin, all right, if I want to send this Ethereum, all right, to any address, let me paste this address, for instance. Okay, this is the same Binance address. Let me just paste it. All right, now if I'm from here now, you can now send it to any address on either ERC network or BEP20 or BEP2. All right, normally this BEP2 is not much in use, but the most frequently use address here is ERC and BEP20. That's ERC20 and BEP20, which if you are sending your trust wallet that is on BSC, then you have to choose BEP20. Then if you are sending to, let's say, your wallet is on Ethereum network, you have to choose ERC20. All right. The reason why most person chooses this BEP20 is just to boycott too much transaction fee. All right, but this ERC normally takes much transaction fee, but that means if you are sending coins, you have to send in a good volume though. So this is just as simple as ABC. This is just how to just do this. All right. So if you have any questions or anything to say, please ask it within the comment section. I'm always ready to reply you guys. Maybe some of us that are already experienced into this can help out in replying though. So but be sure that you are not playing scam. Be sure that you're not scamming one another. All right, I have a video coming up soon that a person tried to play a little bit of scamming to me, and then I was able to checkmate the person. So be careful. Whatever transaction you're doing out there, just be careful. See you in my next video. So now you have gotten to this point of this video, please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at BarinuaTradex, Facebook at 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗕𝗘. Alright, and then we'll do other things from there.